India is a curious place that still preserves the past, religions, and its history. No matter how modern India becomes, it is still very much an old country. Hello everyone, I'm Tanishka Pamar. How did 15th August become India's Independence Day? Why 15th August chosen as Independence Day? Let's know about this. Initially, January 26 was chosen as Independence Day. Also, the Congress Party continued to celebrate it from 1930 onwards, till India attained independence, and January 26, 1950 was chosen as the Republic Day. Now, the point is, how did August 15 become India's Independence Day? Lord Mountbatten had been given a mandate by the British Parliament to transfer the power by June 30, 1948. However, as per Sri Rajagopalachari's memorable words, if he had waited till June 1948, there would have been no power left to transfer. Therefore, Mountbatten preponed the date to August 1947. With this, he claimed that by advancing the date, he was ensuring that there will be no bloodshed or riot. As per Mountbatten's inputs, the Indian Independence Bill was introduced in the British House of Commons on July 4, 1947 and passed within a fortnight. It provided for the end of the British rule in India on August 15, 1947 and the establishment of the dominions of India and Pakistan. However, he later claimed, as quoted in Freedom of at Midnight, "The date I choose came out of the blue. I chose it in reply to a question. I was determined to show I was master of the whole event. When they asked, had we set a date, I knew it had to be soon. I hadn't worked it out exactly then. I thought it had to be about August or September, and I then went out to the 15th August. Why? Because it was the second anniversary of Japan's surrender in World War II. Yeah, because it was the second anniversary of Japan's surrender in World War II. Since then, August 15 is celebrated as India's Independence Day. This year will be marked as the 75th Independence Day of the nation. Nation first, always first will be the theme of India's 75th Independence Day celebrations this year at the Red Fort, from where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the nation. The Olympians who won medals at the 2020 Tokyo Games have been sent special invites for the event. However, similar to last year, this year's celebrations will be toned down, keeping in mind all the social distancing measures due to the COVID pandemic. Happy Independence Day, all of you. Celebrate it with great zeal. Thank you. For upcoming videos, stay tuned with my channel.